clear your counters. You are about to see 15 insane kitchen upgrades that will completely revolutionize how you cook and clean. From space-saving design genius to high-tech culinary game changers, we have covered it all. Welcome to the Deals Scout, where we hunt down the absolute best gear for your daily life. Find all the links in the description below. Hit subscribe now so you never miss another game-changing find. Coming up, we have 15 smart, reliable kitchen tools designed to restore your confidence and independence in the kitchen. Kicking off our list at number 1, these glass food storage containers feature built-in protective silicone sleeves. These containers store, freeze, and microwave individual meals without absorbing food odors or staining like plastic does. If your hands are stiff or prone to dropping things, the textured silicone boot provides a secure, slip-resistant grip when pulling leftovers from the refrigerator or carrying them to the table. The thick silicone also cushions the glass, protecting your kitchen tiles from accidental drops and chips. Plus, the easy-to-use snap lids are gentle on arthritic fingers compared to stiff, press-and-seal plastic containers. This 5-pack set holds 3.4 cups per container, making them the perfect size for pre-portioned, single-serving meals, and boasts a high 4.7-star rating from over 7,000 reviews. For seniors who struggled with heavy, slippery dishes and hard-to-open lids, these containers return the independence of safely preparing and enjoying home-cooked meals. Next on our list, number 2 is the Ello 18-ounce glass tumbler. This reusable glass cup features a protective silicone grip band and a splash-resistant lid with a matching straw, designed to keep your daily beverages secure and easy to sip. The ribbed glass and textured silicone sleeve provide a secure, non-slip hold, which is helpful if you experience arthritis or hand weakness. Whether you are drinking iced tea while sorting the morning mail, keeping water on the bedside table, or sliding it into the car cup holder for errands, you do not have to worry about condensation making the glass slippery. This BPA-free tumbler holds 18 ounces, is top-rack dishwasher safe, and has earned a 4.5 rating from over 8,000 reviews. For seniors who struggle with heavy, slippery glassware, this tumbler returns the confidence to enjoy a favorite drink anywhere in the home. Coming up at number 3 is an insulated stainless steel water bottle, designed to make staying hydrated completely effortless. This 24-ounce container uses a patented dual-option spout that lets you either sip upright through a built-in straw or tilt it back to swig from a wider opening. When it is time to take morning medications or enjoy a cold drink by your favorite armchair, you do not have to unscrew a tight cap or tilt your head back painfully. The simple push-button lid pops open with a light touch, and the convenient carry loop doubles as a lock to prevent spills on your side table or car seat. Its double-wall insulation keeps water ice-cold for up to 24 hours, backed by a strong 4.7 rating from over 127,000 users. For seniors who struggle with stiff hands or neck pain when drinking, this bottle returns the simple comfort of easy, spill-free hydration throughout the day. Next on our list, number 4 is a vacuum-insulated stainless steel tumbler designed to keep your drinks icy cold or piping hot all day. This 30-ounce cup features an ergonomic, easy-grip handle and a 3-position lid that holds a reusable straw securely in place. If hand tremors or arthritis make holding standard glasses difficult, the sturdy, oversized handle gives you a secure, comfortable grip. You can keep it on your bedside table for a sip of water with your morning pills, or slide the tapered base right into your car's cup holder. The splash-resistant straw means you do not have to tilt your head back to drink, which is a major help for anyone with neck stiffness. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this dishwasher-safe cup has earned a 4.7-star rating from over 100,000 reviews. For seniors who struggle to stay hydrated due to heavy, slippery glassware, this tumbler restores the dignity of keeping a refreshing drink safely within reach. Next on our list, number 5 is a compact kitchen appliance that bakes, roasts, reheats, and air fries your meals with the press of a single button. This countertop cooker uses rapid hot air instead of heavy, dangerous oil to prepare everything from morning toast to dinner chicken. Instead of bending down to reach a heavy, slow-heating conventional oven, or struggling with hot pans on the stove, you simply slide the lightweight basket out, place your food inside, and tap the clear digital screen. The non-stick ceramic coating means you do not have to scrub stuck-on food at the sink, which is a massive relief for tired hands. It features a spacious 6-quart capacity that fits a whole chicken, operating safely up to 450 degrees with a PFAS-free design backed by over 20,000 positive reviews. Seniors who could no longer safely manage heavy cookware are enjoying hot, independent, home-cooked meals again. Next on our list at number 6 is a daily hydration companion that keeps your drinks ice cold and completely spill-free. This insulated stainless steel tumbler features a built-in flip straw that snaps shut to create a leak-proof seal, preventing accidental messes. Instead of struggling with tight screw-top lids when taking morning medications, you just flip the straw up with one finger. The soft, textured handle is easy to grip even for those with limited hand strength, and the narrow base fits securely in your car's cup holder or on a bedside nightstand without tipping over. This 30-ounce, dishwasher-safe cup uses double-wall vacuum insulation to hold ice for hours and boasts a high 4.7-star rating from over 17,000 reviews. For seniors who struggle with heavy, hard-to-open cups, this secure tumbler restores the simple dignity of staying hydrated all day long without the constant worry of spills. Next on our list, number 7 is the Astercook 13-piece knife set. This set provides 6 essential kitchen knives, kitchen shears, and matching blade guards to cover all your daily food prep needs. Instead of struggling with heavy, dull knives that slip on tough sweet potatoes or crusty bread, these stainless steel blades slice cleanly with minimal wrist strain. The protective guards mean you can safely store them in a drawer without worrying about accidental cuts when reaching inside, while the non-stick coating allows you to slide them right into the dishwasher for effortless cleanup. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this set has earned a 4.8 out of 5-star rating from over 5,000 buyers. For seniors who feared losing their independence in the kitchen due to hand fatigue or safety concerns, these lightweight knives return the joy of preparing fresh, home-cooked meals. Coming up at number 8 is a smart, 4-slice touchscreen toaster designed to make breakfast effortless. This stainless steel appliance features a brightly lit, angled display with large icons, so you can select your settings without bending over or straining your eyes. Instead of twisting tiny, stiff dials, you simply tap the screen to choose from 6 food presets like bagels or gluten-free bread. If you are making breakfast just for yourself, a single-slot mode concentrates the heat to one side, saving energy and preventing burnt edges. With an 1,800-watt heating element and extra-wide 1.5-inch slots, it holds a 4.8-star rating and is currently on sale for $85. For seniors who struggled with hard-to-read knobs and burnt toast, this returns the simple joy of an independent, perfectly brown morning meal. Next on our list, number 9 is the COSTWAY Compact Mini Fridge. This small refrigerator plugs into any standard outlet to keep temperature-sensitive items chilled right in your bedroom or living space. Instead of navigating a dark hallway or negotiating steep stairs in the middle of the night just to get a cold glass of water or your daily insulin, you can keep everything within arm's reach of your bed or favorite armchair. It runs almost silently at under 39 decibels, so it won't interrupt your sleep or your favorite TV programs. Measuring just about 17 inches wide and 19 inches tall, it fits easily on a nightstand or desk while costing only about 9 cents a day to run. For seniors who struggle with nighttime mobility, this simple addition restores the independence of having fresh drinks and vital medications safely nearby, without risking a fall in the dark. Next up at number 10 is a 12-inch uncoated titanium skillet that gives you effortless non-stick cooking without any chemical coatings. This professional-grade pan heats evenly across all stovetops, including induction, and transitions straight into the oven. Traditional non-stick pans often peel, causing worry about chemical flakes, while heavy cast iron can strain arthritic wrists. With this lightweight, durable titanium pan, You can slide a delicate morning omelet or a seared salmon fillet right onto your plate with zero sticking and no heavy lifting. It boasts an impressive 4.9 out of 5-star rating, is oven-safe up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and is currently 29% off at $99.99. For seniors who feared they would have to give up home-cooked meals due to heavy, hard-to-clean cookware, this pan restores the joy of independent, worry-free cooking. Next on our list at number 11 is a compact vacuum sealer machine that locks in food freshness by removing air from storage bags with a single press. This lightweight kitchen tool lets you portion out bulk groceries, seal dry goods, or preserve leftovers using simple one-touch controls. Instead of struggling to tightly seal zip-top bags with stiff fingers, you simply place your food inside, slide the bag in, and let the machine do the work. It is perfect for keeping half-eaten dinners fresh or sealing open cracker packages so they never go stale. Measuring just 15 inches long to easily tuck into a drawer, it features a powerful 75 kilopascal suction that seals in 10 seconds. For seniors who face the challenge of cooking for one and hate wasting expensive groceries, this device returns the independence to prep healthy meals in advance. Next on our list, number 12 is the Belicious Automatic Food Vacuum Sealer. This compact kitchen appliance preserves leftovers, bulk groceries, and garden harvests in airtight bags with the press of a single button. Instead of throwing away freezer-burned leftovers or struggling to finish large grocery portions before they spoil, you simply slide your food into a bag, use the built-in cutter, and let the machine lock out the air. It features a gentle pulse control for soft foods and a wet mode for savory stews, making it easy to portion out single meals. At just 15 inches wide, this sleek device keeps food fresh up to 8 times longer and comes with a full starter kit and a 2-year warranty. For seniors who face the frustration of wasted food and rising grocery bills, this tool restores the freedom to enjoy fresh, healthy meals without constant trips to the supermarket. Coming up at number 13, this extra-large insulated travel mug keeps your beverages at the perfect temperature while preventing messy spills. It features a unique, textured dimple grip that feels like a real golf ball, making it easy to hold even if your hands are stiff. You can carry this mug from the kitchen counter to your favorite recliner, or slide it into a walker basket, without worrying about splashes thanks to the completely leak-proof flip-and-sip lid. The built-in silicone base means you can set it down on bedside tables quietly and securely, preventing slips and scratches. This dishwasher-safe 40-ounce tumbler keeps cold water ice-cold for over 24 hours and hot tea hot for over 9 hours. For seniors who struggle to stay hydrated because heavy glasses are hard to grip and easy to spill, this secure tumbler restores the independence of having a fresh drink within reach all day. Coming up at number 14 is the BLACK+DECKER Countertop Microwave. This compact appliance reheats meals and warms beverages with simple, one-touch buttons, sitting comfortably on your counter to eliminate bending over a traditional oven. When lifting heavy pots or managing a hot stove becomes difficult, this unit keeps mealtime safe. You can easily heat a bowl of soup, bake a potato, or warm your morning coffee by pressing a single, clearly labeled preset button, reducing the time you spend standing on tired feet. It features a spacious 1.1 cubic foot capacity that fits standard dinner plates, delivering 1,000 watts of power across 10 adjustable levels. At just $89, it is a highly rated, fingerprint-resistant upgrade. For seniors who struggle with the physical demands of stovetop cooking, this microwave returns the dignity of preparing hot, independent meals safely and quickly. Saving the best for last, number 15 is the Gurmia Slow Cooker. This kitchen appliance cooks your meals slowly and evenly over several hours using a simple heated ceramic pot. You just place your ingredients inside, turn the single manual dial to low or high, and let it simmer on your countertop without any monitoring. If standing at a hot stove stirring pots is too painful for your back and wrists, this cooker takes over the hard work. You can prep your vegetables in the morning, set the dial, and go about your day without worrying about open flames. When you're finished, The ceramic insert lifts out easily and can go straight into the dishwasher. It features a generous 6-quart capacity and boasts a near-perfect 4.9-star rating, currently on sale for $27. Seniors who could no longer safely stand over a hot stove to cook are enjoying hearty, home-cooked roasts and stews again. And that's the list. 15 game-changing upgrades to completely revolutionize your kitchen. If these smart tools leveled up your cooking, imagine what we're testing next. Links to everything are in the description. Subscribe to the Deal Scout, where we find the ultimate gear for your lifestyle.